In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Alibaba emails. Start by opening your web browser and signing into your email account. Any browser works, and you can do this on desktop or mobile. If you have the choice, desktop makes the tiny footer links easier to spot. Once you're in your inbox, use the search bar to find messages from Alibaba. Type Alibaba or Alibaba.com and hit enter. Depending on your provider, these emails may live in a promotions or other tab, so check there if your main inbox looks empty. Open one promotional or notification email from Alibaba, ideally a recent one, so the information on the page you'll visit is up to date. With the message open, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the email. The opt-out option is almost always tucked into the fine print in the footer. If your email client trims long messages, click View Entire Message or a similar prompt to expand everything first. Even if images are blocked, the link should still show up as text. You're looking for wording like unsubscribe, click here to unsubscribe, or manage email preferences. If you don't see it in that particular message, go back and open another recent Alibaba email and check the footer there. Click the unsubscribe, or click here to unsubscribe link. Your browser should open a new tab or window that leads to Alibaba's unsubscribe page or preference center. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on an official Alibaba domain before moving forward. Some messages will ask you to confirm that you want to stop receiving emails. That's normal, so continue when prompted. Avoid replying to the email to request removal. Using the built-in unsubscribe link is faster and more reliable. On the landing page, choose your reason for leaving from the available options. This feedback helps the sender understand why you're opting out, but it's usually optional, so select whatever fits best, or skip it if allowed. Then click Submit to finalize your request. You should see a confirmation that your preferences were updated or that you've been unsubscribed. It can take a little time for the change to propagate, so give it a day or two for the messages to taper off. If the page shows multiple categories, unsubscribing might apply only to the selected type of email. In that case, repeat this same process from another Alibaba message to cover the remaining categories. That's all it takes to reduce inbox clutter and keep only the messages you actually want.